The United States has officially closed a long and storied chapter in its amphibious warfare history. After more than 50 years of service, the U.S. Marine Corps has retired its iconic Amphibious Assault Vehicle, AAV, and transitioned to the more advanced and adaptable Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, designed to meet the demands of modern battlefields. The deactivation ceremony for the AAV was held on September 26th at the Assault Amphibian School, Camp Pendleton, California. 3 remaining AAVs made their final parade deck crossing, marking the end of a vehicle that had become a symbol of American amphibious operations since its introduction in 1972. According to the Marine Corps Training and Education Command, the transition to the ACV is part of a sweeping modernization effort under the Force Design Initiative. This program aims to enhance the Marine Corps' readiness against emerging threats in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly in scenarios involving China's growing military power. In the increasingly tense geopolitical climate of the South China Sea and the Western Pacific, amphibious capabilities remain a crucial element for the U.S. and its allies, including Japan and the Philippines. Sea-to-shore operations enable rapid power projection to defend or reclaim strategic islands across the region. Throughout its decades of service, the AAV played a vital role in various military and humanitarian missions in Grenada, Somalia, and Iraq. As a tracked vehicle powered by water jets, it could carry troops from ship to shore in challenging conditions. Despite multiple upgrades, its long service life eventually gave way to more efficient and modern technology. Its successor, the ACV, features an 8-wheeled design and multi-role functionality, from troop transport to fire support. It is faster on land, more durable, and easier to maintain than its predecessor, though its performance on soft terrain like beaches still falls short of the AAV's proven capability. The ACV began demonstrating its potential during joint exercises in the Philippines in May of last year, before being officially deployed with the 3rd Marine Expeditionary Force in Japan. This move underscored the Marine Corps' shift toward more agile, modern amphibious operations designed to meet future challenges. However, the transition from AAV to ACV has not been without obstacles. The replacement program faced several technical and safety setbacks, including a temporary suspension in 2022 following an incident off the coast of California. After a series of improvements and additional testing, the ACV was cleared for full operational deployment. Defense analysts note that this modernization effort goes beyond replacing an aging platform. It represents a shift in U.S. military doctrine. Under the Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations concept, Marines are expected to maneuver rapidly across dispersed island chains, deploying missile systems, radars, and sensors without relying on large, vulnerable bases. In this framework, vehicles like the ACV play a critical role as connectors between sea and land in cross-domain operations. Experts from the Center for Strategic and International Studies, CSIS, emphasize that this amphibious modernization reflects Washington's seriousness in addressing strategic competition with Beijing in the Pacific. China continues to bolster its military capabilities, including Anti-Access Area Denial, a 2/AD systems designed to prevent U.S. forces from entering contested zones. In such scenarios, the Marines' ability to launch rapid sea-based operations becomes crucial. Beyond improved combat capability, the ACV also enhances crew comfort and safety. Its cabin features modern ballistic protection, adaptive suspension, and digital communications fully integrated with the U.S. Joint Battle Network. These advancements allow the Marine Corps to coordinate large-scale amphibious operations as well as humanitarian missions in disaster-prone areas. This transition aligns with the U.S. Indo-Pacific Command's broader defense strategy, which focuses on mobility, endurance, and adaptability across vast maritime environments. With the ACV, the Marine Corps now possesses a platform that serves not only as a troop carrier, but also as a key component in an integrated combat system linking land, sea, and air. For many Marine veterans, saying farewell to the AAV evokes a sense of nostalgia. The vehicle has stood as a symbol of American amphibious strength for half a century, serving across diverse terrains and global operations. Yet, as stated by the Marine Corps Training and Education Command, this evolution is a natural step in maintaining combat readiness for the next generation of warfare. With the end of the AAV era, the U.S. Marine Corps now looks ahead with a more modern, agile force, ready to operate in some of the world's most challenging environments, from Pacific coastlines to the dynamic waters of the Indo-Pacific. The shift from the Amphibious Assault Vehicle, AAV, to the Amphibious Combat Vehicle, ACV, marks a significant milestone in the U.S. Marine Corps' modernization journey. This step is not merely about replacing aging equipment, but represents a transformation in doctrine and strategy to confront the challenges of 21st-century warfare, especially within the increasingly contested Indo-Pacific region. With greater sophistication, higher speed, and integrated communication and protection systems, the ACV is built for dynamic, distributed, multi-domain operations. Its presence strengthens the Marines' ability to execute the Expeditionary Advanced Base Operations concept, a strategy that demands high mobility, resilience in remote areas, and seamless integration with naval and air forces. Conversely, the deactivation of the AAV symbolizes the passage of an era. After half a century of service across battlefields worldwide, the AAV concludes its distinguished career, making way for a new generation of technology better suited to modern warfare. Armed with the ACV, the U.S. Marine Corps enters a new chapter in its history. Lighter, stronger, digitally connected, and ready to face geopolitical challenges across the Indo-Pacific, while maintaining America's status as a global maritime power.